Hello YouTube. This is Sneeuwolf. We're going to put together the Westfalia drill stand. Let's have a look how it all fits together. Okay, that's easy enough. Just tighten the ones here at the back. It should be centered already because the face of this column at the back is flat, so the screws will actually tidy that up. Other thing is installing this one, the handle. Easy enough as well. Okay, that was fast. Took me less than 10 seconds to put together. Then the other thing, of course, is adjusting the stand. The bottom part is so light, you can see you really need to tighten it down. You need to put some screws here into the table, the workbench, to keep it steady, because this one is too light. This one at the back, this old one, 40-50 years old, this one is much heavier, the bottom part. But the column is lighter than this one. So I can do precise milling here. I can adjust with this little wheel. I can adjust the depth. This one also, this is a locking pin, so you can go down, and with this pin here you can adjust how far you can go down. So it will lock in place at a certain angle. You see, can't go further than this. So you not only can read here how far you're in, but you also will stop automatically with this screw. Then the other thing is, and that's important if you want to mill with this thing, which is possible. So you need to tie these screws here at the left side. If you tie them up well, at the desired height, see, then it won't move up or down anymore. It is just fixed like that. And you've got two of them, so if you tighten down the two bolts, then it will stay in position and you can mill, no problem. And if you want to adjust the height afterwards, you can just go up again and find the right height to mill. And if you want to go lower, also not an issue. Just loosen up everything, and then you can bring down the whole upper part. And then you can fix it again, and you can go from there. So, in a nutshell, it's a really very handy tool. Quality-wise, not as impressive as I expected from a German brand. Also, I would have liked the bottom plate to be steel instead of aluminum. This part is also aluminum, also not that happy about it, but the column is steel and it has 6 faces, so it won't move around too much if you tighten down the bolts with a wrench. Okay, see you next video. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.